Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will do the derivative of those two functions here. And before I start, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me, and believe me, I'm gonna be posting video almost on a daily basis. And if you subscribe to my channel and you choose to get notification when a new video is posted, you will have it. Thank you. So let's start with the first function. F of x is equal x to the power of 4, 7th root of, I think that's how we call it, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. I want to get the derivative, I want f prime of x. So if I look at that function here, it resembles u times v, and I know that the derivative of u times v is u prime v plus u v prime. In my case, my u is equal x to the power of 4, so my u prime is equal 4 x to the power of 3, and my v is equal x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power of 1 divided by 7, which is 7th root of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So my v prime would be 1 divided by 7, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, and to the power of 1 divided by 7 minus 1. So I multiply by 7 here, by 7 here, so it becomes 6 to the power of minus 6. So yeah, minus 6 divided by 7. But I have to multiply by the derivative of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 prime. And x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, it looks like u divided by v, which is the derivative of that is u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So let's finish my v prime. My v prime is equal 1 divided by 7 x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power minus 6 to the power of 7. And now x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 prime, I'm doing this here. It's u prime, my u is x plus 1, so u prime, the derivative of x plus 1 is 1, because the derivative of x is 1. So it is 1 multiplied by x minus 1, u prime v, minus u v prime minus, let's bring it down a bit, minus u, which is x plus 1 times v prime times 1 divided by x minus 1 square. Okay? And I have to multiply it, all this, it has to be multiplied by that. So let's do it now. So I can write v prime is equal 1 divided by 7 x plus 1 divided to the power minus 6 over 7 divided by x minus 1 to the power minus 6 over 7. And if I want to have positive exposure, to have it plus 6 divided by 7, I have to flip it. So the denominator become numerator and the numerator become denominator, and this is how I have it positive, multiplied by x minus 1 minus x plus 1, because 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1, and 1 times x plus 1 is 1x plus 1, divided by x minus 1 square. So my v prime is equal 1 divided by 7 x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 6 divided by 7. And now here I have plus x minus x, it goes out, so minus 2 divided by x minus 1 square, and the minus 2 I can put it at the beginning. So my v prime is equal minus 2 divided by 7 x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 6 divided by 7 times 1 divided by x minus 1 square. So now let's go back here. Let's go back here. Or no, before that it is, I'm gonna apply the formula. Let's go back to the beginning, which is this. I have my u, I have my v, I have my u prime, and at the end here I have my v prime. So it is u prime v, and my u prime is 4x to the power of 3. So it is f prime of x is equal u prime, which is 4 times x to the power of 3, u prime v, and my v is, it's here. My v is this, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power 17. So x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 7, which is 7th root of this, plus u, which was x4, and v prime, I have it in front of me here, times minus 2 to the power of 7. Actually, let's open this, and x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 6 over 7 times 1 divided by x minus 1 square. Okay. U prime v plus u v prime. And that would be it, I guess. Let's see if I can simplify it a little bit for you, a little bit more. So I can write it this way: f prime of x is equal 4x to the power of 3, or I can put x to the power of 3 in common because I have it here and here. Actually, I can put 2 to the 4x to the power of 3. Anyway, it's not important. If you put that answer, you will get the full grade. X plus 1, x minus 1, this is 7 here, plus or minus, because I have this plus here times this minus that is here, it's minus 2 over 7 x to the power of 4. Actually, let's put it in a root. 7th root of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 6 times 1 divided by x minus 1 square. And that would be the final answer. So now let's do the second problem, which is here. F of x 4x3 minus x2 divided by x plus 1 quadratic rule root of x. So let's copy it on a new page. I have f of x equal 4x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 divided by x plus 1 to the power of 4 of x. Okay, and then we're gonna calculate f prime of x, and this one look like u times v divided by v. U divided by v prime is equal u prime v minus u v prime divided by v square, and my u here is 4 x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2, so my u prime is equal 12x to the power of 2, because 3 times 4 is 12, minus x to the minus 2x to the power of 1, and my v is equal x plus 1 times x to the power 1 over 4. Yeah? And if I look at my v is like u times v, which is u prime v plus u v prime. Or because I used v, u times w, which is u prime w times v w prime. Whatever. So in my case, I take my u here is equal to x plus 1. So my u prime, you know what, let's choose different letter because I don't want to mix you up. So my v look like wz, w times z prime, it's equal w prime z plus w z prime. Okay, and my w here is equal x plus 1, so my w prime is equal 1, and my z is equal x to the power 1 over 4. My z prime is equal 1 4 x to the power, and here I do 1 divided by 4 minus 1 times 4 times 4, so it becomes 1 minus 4, it's minus 3 over 4. So if I don't want to see a negative exposure, z prime is equal 1 over 4 x square quadratic square of x to the power of 3. So that's my z prime. So now let's apply the formula of the denominator, which is v prime now. My v prime is equal w prime, which is 1 times quadratic root of x, u prime, which is this is my w prime and this is my z, plus my w, which is this x plus 1 times z prime, which is here. Let's bring it a little bit down. Times 1 divided by 4 quadratic root of x to the power of 3. U prime, and that's my v prime. Oops. So that's my v prime, and that's my v. I can write it at quadratic root of x, and that's my u, and that's my u prime. So let's write it. So it's u prime v, which is f prime of x equal u prime v. My u prime is 12x squared minus 2x multiplied by my v, which is x plus 1 times quadratic rule of x, u prime v, minus u v prime. My u is equal 4x to the power of 3 minus x2, and my v prime is whatever I wrote here, quadratic root of x plus, let's move it a little bit, x plus 1 divided by 4 quadratic root of x to the power of 3. Here I can do common denominator, but like I will stop here. You know how to subtract fraction. You know what, let's do it. f prime of x is equal, the common denominator is gonna be here 4 times quadratic square of x3, and here I have 1, so I have to multiply up and down by this, so it become 12x squared minus 2x times x plus 1 times quadratic x times, so the 4 I can write it here, of x to the power of 3, and this will become x, both of them. If I multiply them together, it become x minus 4 times 4x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2. I don't have enough space, let's move it. You know what, let's put it here like that, minus the 4 that is here, I put it here and I multiply it by this, and I want to multiply it by quadratic x times quadratic x x3, and those two become x plus x plus 1. So my f prime of x is equal 4 12x squared minus 2x x plus 1 times x minus 4x to the power of 3 minus x squared times x plus x plus 1 divided by 4 quadratic root of x3, and that would be the final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, that would help me, and then you will get notified when I post a new video, and I will be posting a lot of new videos. Thank you for listening.